Hello, everyone! Today, we're going to turn simple letters into adorable animals. We'll turn the letter A into a cute little mouse. Are you ready?
Yay! I'm ready!
Let's get started.
Wow, a little mouse? I can't wait to see it. Let's draw together.
All right! Let's start with the eyes. Then, we'll add a tiny little nose. Next, draw a little horizontal line. This will be the tiny ground, where our little mouse's feet will stand. Look! Our little mouse needs some ears. Draw 2 open circles, right beside the letter A. It's starting to look even cuter. Let's draw the head. Connect the ears to the eyes, with one smooth curve. Now, draw the back. One smooth curve, down to the foot.
Wow, it's really coming to life. Our little mouse looks so cute already.
You're right, Cuckoo. Time to finish the tummy. Draw one smooth curve, from the mouth to the little foot. Add 3 tiny dots, right beside the nose. Now our little mouse has adorable whiskers. One more thing. Every little mouse needs a tail, right? Draw one long, gentle curve. Now for the best part. Let's bring our little mouse to life with color. Choose your favorite colors and have fun. If I'm coloring a little too fast, you can slow down the video anytime. And color along with me. Take your time. There's no rush. Every color is beautiful.
Wow, it's getting pretty and pretty.
One last step. Trace all the lines with black. Now our little mouse really comes to life.
Yay! It's so cute! I love our little mouse.
Great job, Cuckoo. And great job, everyone. Now, let's see what the letter B can become.
Ooh. What about the letter B?
Great question. Today, we're turning the letter B into an adorable panda. Our little panda needs some ears first. Draw 2 little ears on the top half of the letter B. Now, draw 2 big black circles. These are the panda's special eye patches. The fluffy black spots that make pandas so easy to recognize. Inside each one, add a tiny happy eye. Our little panda is starting to look so cute already. Now, add a tiny heart-shaped nose. Then draw a sweet little smile. There it is. Our little panda has the sweetest smile. Here comes one little arm. Curve it gently across the tummy. Our panda loves giving warm hugs. Draw one smooth curve to finish the cozy pose. Don't forget the tiny tail. Small, but super cute. There we go. Did you know? What's a panda's favorite food?
Ooh, I know! Bamboo! Pandas love crunchy bamboo.
That's right, Cuckoo. Bamboo is a panda's favorite food. Let's add a bamboo stalk. Our little panda loves climbing, and it never says no to a tasty bamboo snack. Now comes the fun part. Let's bring our little panda to life with color. If I'm going a little too fast, you can slow down the video and color along with me. Take your time. There's no rush. Every color is beautiful. Remember to go to bed early. If you stay up too late, you might get dark circles, just like a panda.
I'll go to bed early. panda eyes.
Our little panda is almost finished. Take a good look. Can you still see the letter B? Or has it already transformed into a cute little panda? Wow! A simple letter can become something so amazing.
I can still see a little bit of the letter B, but now I see a cute panda.
Do you agree with Cuckoo? Tap the like button if you do. And if you have another fun idea, leave us a comment. We might draw it in our next adventure. Before we start coloring, let's trace all the lines with black. Nice, bold lines make our drawing easier to color and even more beautiful. Now we're ready for the fun part. Now it's time to color the bamboo. Bamboo is a panda's favorite snack, and it grows tall and strong. Choose your favorite shades of green, or use any colors that make you smile. There's no right or wrong way to color. The most important thing is to have fun and enjoy drawing together. Amazing work, everyone! Our little panda is all finished. We turned one simple letter into one adorable animal. Are you ready for our next drawing adventure? This time, we're going to turn the letter C into a clever little fox. Now, sketch the little head. Then, let the line flow gently into the front leg. Look at that! Our little fox is starting to appear. Now, draw two little eyes. Then add a tiny little nose. Look at that! Our little fox is starting to smile at us. Finish the front leg first. Now give our little fox a big fluffy tail. That's one of a fox's most beautiful features.
Wow, that fluffy tail is so pretty. I wish I could give it a little hug.
One more little detail. Draw a few tiny whiskers. Now our little fox looks even more adorable. Before we add the colors, let's trace all the lines with black. Nice, bold lines. Make our little fox stand out even more. Now we're ready for the fun part. Now it's time to color our little fox. Foxes are often orange, with a soft white tummy and a fluffy tail. But remember, you can choose any colors you like. Every drawing is special because it comes from your imagination. Let's start by coloring the fox's head. First comes a rich, darker orange. Now gently add a lighter orange. Right on top. Watch the colors blend together. It almost looks like warm sunshine, shining on our little fox. Keep coloring slowly. Every little stroke makes it softer, brighter, and more beautiful. Now let's color the fox's back. Start with a rich, darker orange. Then gently brush a lighter orange over the top. Watch the colors melt together, almost like the warm morning sunshine, shining on our little fox's soft fur. Isn't that beautiful? Keep coloring one little section at a time. Every gentle stroke makes our fox look softer, warmer, and full of life. You're doing an amazing job.
Wow, it's getting so soft and fluffy. I love watching the colors blend together.
Amazing work, everyone! Look at all the wonderful animals we created together. We turned the letter A into a cute little mouse, the letter B into an adorable panda, and the letter C into a clever little fox. 3 simple letters. 3 amazing animals. All created by you. Give yourselves a big round of applause. If you had fun drawing with Cuckoo and me today, please give this video a like. And if you'd like to see us turn even more letters into adorable animals, don't forget to subscribe. Now, here's a fun question for you. What animal should we draw from the next letter? Tell us in the comments below. Your idea might be featured in our next drawing adventure. We'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye!
Come on, let's draw another fun picture together. Just tap the next video. I'll see you there.